In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames in Canva, a fantastic feature that brings a whole new level of creativity to your designs. Whether you're creating social media posts, professional presentations, or personal projects, frames can help you showcase your images in unique and eye-catching ways. Let's dive into the process step by step. To get started, open Canva and look at the left panel on your screen. You'll want to click on Elements. This is your gateway to a treasure trove of design tools, from shapes and stickers to lines and, of course, frames. Once you're in the Element section, look towards the top of the panel where you'll find a search bar. Simply type in Frames and hit Enter. This will filter out everything except frames, making it easy for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you see the Frames category, click on it. This action opens up an array of frame options for you to choose from, each offering a different style and shape. Once you find a frame that fits your vision, click on it to select. Now hold down the mouse button and drag the selected frame into your design workspace. You can place it wherever you feel it will have the most impact. Next, it's time to add your personal touch. Click on the Uploads option on the left panel. This feature allows you to bring in your own images, ensuring your design is as personalized as possible. After selecting Uploads on Canva, you can drag and drop an image from there directly into the frame. The beautiful thing about Canva frames is their ability to crop any photo into the shape of the frame automatically, perfect for creating visually interesting compositions. With the image now nestled in the frame, spend some time adjusting its alignment. Click and drag the image within the frame until it's perfectly positioned. This is your opportunity to play around with placement, ensuring the image's focal points are well positioned within the constraints of the frame. The added flexibility allows for creativity and precision, making the design truly yours. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Head over to the Share button, typically at the top right of the page. Here you can choose your preferred file type, whether it be JPEG, PNG, or even PDF depending on your needs. After selecting your format, the last step is to click Download. Canva will prepare your file and save it to your device, ready for you to share with the world or keep it for personal use. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using frames in Canva. I hope you find these steps helpful as you continue to explore and create stunning designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.